Hey guys, today I will talk about how to draw hot anime boys' eyes. In anime characters, girls' eyes are rounded with curved lines, but boys' eyes are narrow and formed with short straight lines. In order to outline a hot anime boy's eye, you can just draw 3 short lines for the upper eyelid and 2 straight lines for the lower eyelid, then repeat once for each of the eyelid. The eyebrow must be longer than the eyes, which is also formed with short straight lines. You can also add a fold line in between the eyebrow and the upper eyelid. We do not need to draw eyelashes for boys, just close the 2 upper eyelids should be fine. When coloring the anime boy's eye, I normally draw a dark pupil in the center. Then add shadows with 75 opacity and 2 different colors below the upper eyelid, and a half circle lighter reflection with 50% opacity above the lower eyelid. Then finish it up with the most important things, which are 2 white dots as the highlights. Now let's repeat the coloring process 2 more times. Eyebrow and eyelid have a similar color as his hair but darker. I prefer to color the white of the eye with 95% lightness from the HSL value, which stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. When drawing shadows and reflections, I just use the same hue but modify the saturation and lightness. Once you add 2 white dots, his eye will pop. What I just showed you is a typical way that I use to draw hot anime boys' eyes, but these examples are showing us that we can draw anything inside his eyes. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.